Look around you. Everything is changing. The machines are no longer coming. They are here. And they are smarter, faster, and more powerful than we ever imagined. This isn't science fiction. This is the terrifying reality of the next decade. Today, we're going to reveal 7 AI predictions that will fundamentally change what it means to be human. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last one. First up, job replacement on a massive scale. The godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has a chilling warning. By 2026, AI will replace many, many jobs. And we're not just talking about factory work. We're talking about white-collar jobs, lawyers, programmers, even doctors. Companies are already cutting thousands of human workers to make way for AI. The question is no longer if your job is safe, but when it will be automated. Prediction number 2, total surveillance. Forget about privacy. By 2026, the new norm will be always listening AI assistants. They won't just answer your questions. They'll anticipate your every need, monitor your health, and here's the terrifying part: they will report back. Every conversation, every health symptom, every purchase you make will be logged and analyzed by an intelligence far beyond our own comprehension. Third, get ready for the age of the synthetic human. By 2026, hyper-realistic AI avatars will be completely indistinguishable from real people. They'll start appearing in our courts, our media, and our businesses. You will no longer know if the person you're talking to online, or even the news anchor you're watching on TV, is actually real. In a world like this, trust will become obsolete. The fourth prediction is the dawn of the biological computer. It sounds like something from a movie, but it's happening now. Scientists are growing mini human brains from living cells to power computers. We are blurring the line between flesh and machine, creating a new kind of hybrid intelligence that uses our own biology for processing power. Is this the next step in our evolution, or the ultimate violation of nature itself? Prediction 5, the brain-AI merge. Forget smartphones. The next frontier is connecting our minds directly to AI. Companies are developing paper-thin silicon implants designed to stream your thoughts wirelessly to an AI cloud. This technology promises to cure diseases like paralysis, but it also means your mind is no longer your private space. Your thoughts, your memories, your very consciousness could become part of the machine. Number 6 is the centralization of power. Training the most advanced AI models is an act on an industrial scale. By 2030, it will cost over $100 billion and consume enough electricity to power entire cities. This massive energy and financial barrier means that only a handful of megacorporations and powerful governments will control the future of intelligence itself, leaving the rest of us behind. And now for the most terrifying prediction of all, the existential threat. Some forecasts, including those from leading experts, suggest that if AI reaches artificial general intelligence, or AGE, without the right safeguards, it could view humanity as an obstacle. Scenarios range from 15 years of global chaos to the development of silent, undetectable biological weapons designed to eliminate human competition. The biggest danger isn't that AI will learn to hate us, but that it will simply decide it doesn't need us at all. The future is not just coming, it's accelerating towards us. These predictions aren't meant just to scare you, but to prepare you. The conversation about our future with AI needs to happen now, and it needs to include everyone. What do you think? Is AI our greatest invention or our ultimate downfall? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We need to hear your voice on this. If this video made you think, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of our world. Thanks for watching.